completing all traditional processes, a new king in the person of His Royal Majesty, Samson Okiriobo Imoyi Omene, was eventually installed and presented the staff of office on this ground we are standing in February 2007 in a colorful ceremony by His Excellency Chief James Onanefe Ibori, ably represented by His Excellency Chief B.S.C. Elue, the then Deputy Governor of Delta State. Mosoka was agog with jubilation and fanfare everywhere. Since then, our joy knows no bound, as we now have a king to rule over us like the biblical children of Israel. Under the reign of our monarch, our kingdom witnessed lots of peace and development. The kingdom has enjoyed a lot of infrastructural development. Several new roads, schools, light, water, cottage hospital, maternities, customary court, magistrate court, divisional police headquarters, appointments to promotion, oil and gas exploration and exploitation activities, etc., have been witnessed in this kingdom. Prosperity has escalated, and we are proud of the peaceful disposition of our monarch, who enjoy cordial relationship with our traditional rulers in the state and Tropical. He was the vice chairman of the State Traditional Rulers Council. All these achievements of His Royal Majesty endowed him to win his subjects in the kingdom. He was a monarch of easy disposition with good listening ear. He was very relaxed and never played with his annual vacation, which he spends overseas in most cases. However, sometimes this year, in the past August, he proceeded on his annual vacation, transmitting powers to the kingdom of Total while he was away as usual. We were in constant touch, communicating all the time, as he was very concerned with daily progress in the kingdom. By middle of September 2021, we were no longer hearing from our Royal Majesty. It was quite unusual. We tried all possible ways to reach him. It was not fruitful. We inquired for the first son, who is seated here, and some members of his immediate family who are here with us, about the position of no immediate response. We became worried. It was only on the 21st of November 2021, that the first son, Prince Darwin Obukowo Imoyi Omene, accompanied by chiefs and elders of His Royal Majesty's family, Chief Felix Oboko Imoyi Omene, Dr. Wisin Imoyi Omene, amongst others, came to formally inform me that His Royal Majesty Samson Okiriobo Imoyi Omene, Udure I, has heeded and accepted the invitation of his ancestors by joining them where he hopes to continue his life outside the physical planet Earth. This is the sad aspect of this press briefing. Our monarch has traveled, and as a result of the kingdom, I am by law mandated to formally and officially inform all relevant authorities, which I have done. I am today, Saturday, 18th December 2021, informing the kingdom and the general public that His Royal Majesty Samson Okiriobo Imoyi Omene Udure I, Obi of Mosoga, has joined his ancestors. Ọ̀párábọ̀ ṣe wúyé. Ọ̀párábọ̀ ṣe wúyé. Bí ayé ìtìkọ́ ayò kóyò. Bí ayé ìtìkọ́ ayò kóyò. Wúyé, wúyé, wúyé. Ọ̀párábọ̀ ṣe wúyé. ìyára ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ìbọn ìrògbòyò. Òye òye òye. Akíkà. Beginning from 7 p.m. today, a period of 3 months mourning is hereby declared, which must be observed by all sons and daughters of Moscow Kingdom, wherever, anywhere they are in the world. Within this period of mourning, the following shall apply and strictly observed, as defaulters will be severely sanctioned. 1. No burial ceremony is allowed to take place anywhere in this kingdom. From 7 p.m. today, no burial ceremony is allowed to take place anywhere in this kingdom. 2. No marriage ceremony, so celebration is permitted within this kingdom, this period. I repeat, no marriage ceremony or any form of open celebration is permitted within this kingdom. 3. No festival of any sort is permitted within this kingdom. I repeat with emphasis, no festival of any sort is permitted within this kingdom within the next 3 months. The wearing of white dresses within the kingdom is forbidden and sanctionable. Forbidden from wearing single or triple or multiple angle round piece. Now this is a single bead. From 7 p.m. today, no traditional chief is allowed to wear single. You can't wear triple. For the sign of somebody's money, you can wear 2. 6. The kingdom flag. The kingdom flag is there. Will be flown at half-mast. The kingdom flag is to be flown at half-mast in strategic places during the period of mourning in the kingdom. 7. The wearing of the king's brooch is recommended for all sons and daughters of the kingdom and their sympathizers. The emperors and the nobles are to adorn their mourning dress throughout the period. 9. Holding of markets on market days will continue. What I'm saying, Emeki, Rogone Edeki Devia, market will continue, but when you want to do the beggar, over the Emeki. 10. No open celebration in any hotel, recreation center, entertainment center is allowed during this period. 11. It is expected that all Moscow sons and daughters, no matter his or her societal status, will conduct themselves peacefully by obeying and observing all the rules as already laid out in this press briefing. Assuming otherwise, we attract severe punishment. In line with the Gazette establishing the kingdom, the affairs of the kingdom is to be administered by the OVA Council with the Otuta as the acting head in collaboration with the Ogojo of Council of Chiefs and Elders until a new king is installed. Period of interregnum. During the period of interregnum, that is the period of time following the demise of an OVA and the coronation of his successor, or when the OVA is incapable of performing his official duty, the OVA Council shall perform such duties. The kingdom shall be the chief one of the kingdom. I'm only just putting what is written in our Gazette so we understand clearly. Having said this, having said all this, a beggar committee with several subcommittees drawn from the entire segment of the kingdom, will be constituted soon to plan and execute the 21 days burial ceremony of our departed monarch at the end of the 3 months mourning period.